Wellington's curiosity puts Nathan in a tight spot. The overprotective ant flaps her ears. This is a clear sign that Nathan is trespassing. In the lodge, personal space shrinks. Out here it expands. Either way, it is a negotiation. Wonky Tusk will not hesitate to flatten Nathan or any human that comes between her and her calf. Nathan is fully aware that not even the vehicle can protect him if Wonky Tusk decides to charge. One day, something happens that takes Nathan by surprise. Wellington comes charging over, ears flapping. It's remarkable. Wonky Tusk and the rest of the family do nothing to curb his curiosity. For Nathan, this is a clear indication that elephants learn to fear us. It's not in their nature. In the villages across the river, elephants run away from humans. But Wellington's interaction with Nathan and the people at the lodge has only been peaceful. Nathan is smitten.
You do get quite attached to them, which you're not meant to. Well, you try not to, but it's hard not to, because I mean, he's just very, very cute little character.